Just guess it.
About 7 million.
About
Like a million.
million?
I would say 16 million.
个人
1000
1000
Almost a million?
20 million.
1 million?
I guess it's 10.5.
I think it's third highest, if I remember, in China, which means that it's got to be beneath 15 million and maybe above 12. So I'm going to guess 14.
14.
I would say around 2.5 million.
1.5 million.
About 14 million people.
1000的话
8 million.
Of 10,000 people?
30 million?
2000万
2 million?
3,600,000, 5,000,
Whatever.
432.
I see more than about 8 million people.
In all Shenzhen, I have heard that it's approximately about 14 million.
3 million.
10 million.
10 million, the actual.
I guess it's 10.5.
What do you think?
I don't think anything. I don't think it's
Okay.
your question is fine. I
What?
I didn't know like
Okay.
I think Shenzhen is a big city, so I thought it was going to be a really high number. I think I overshot it, obviously. But yeah, that sounds about right. I knew it would be over 10 million. So, yeah.
感觉就是比较拥挤一点吧，房子做的很密集一点，
啊
接近香港吧。
啊
我这个网上我也看过信息。
It's amazing, I guess. Population is 10 million after 30 years. Why are there so little people in Shenzhen if there's so many people in Guangzhou?
I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah, I guess it's wrong, but well, it's all in my brain, prior knowledge, so yes, sir.
That's, well, I thought it was more, but that's still a lot of people.
That's a lot more than I expected. I didn't find this place so big to hold 10 million.
I know.
That's a lot of people.
听说是1300多吧，1400多，现在可能是1400。
好，谢谢。
Because I'm very smart.
And Finn Smart.
Oh, surprising.
Okay.
Surprising is too many people.
Oh, that's a lot less people than I thought.
Okay.
1050万。
是
1050万吗？
是1050万。
好像少了很多啊。我感觉怎么会这么少？我觉得不止2000万。
What do you don't know? Okay.
I was really overrated. So it was like, so I said, Shenzhen is
I think that Shenzhen is actually bigger than I actually saw. There's a lot more people in Shenzhen that don't know.
Well, I guess that sounds about accurate. I guess the reason why I heard that it's about 14 is because there's a lot of people who are not documented. So Shenzhen is, of course, a city that's full of immigrants. For people heard that there's a lot of immigrant workers or migrant workers from other parts of China that don't even exist. They haven't registered with the police or whatever, so they are working illegally, and therefore the government's not able to get a really good census. Census is where you reflect kind of population of an area, and so I suppose 10.5 sounds probably pretty accurate for documented people. My guess is probably closer to 14.
Okay, thank you.
That's a lot of people.
Okay, thank you.
I was close.
Yeah.
Close enough for jazz.
Hi, this is my poster. There is a title, how many people live in Shenzhen, and the population is 10.5 million and increasing. There is increasing 0 to 19.5 million, and there is a function fx equals the absolute value 10.5 million minus x. And for the biggest, the winner is Andrew Lee from grade A, 10.5 million to the right, and there's biggest guess, 3, and smallest guess and average guess. And this is my graph over here, and on the right there is an explanation graph, vertex, how to read it, y-axis equals blah blah blah, x-axis equals blah blah blah. There is a number of guess and domain, and finally there is a link to YouTube which I will include after this thing. Thank you.